OnlyFans creators' days are numbered. AI will replace women in OnlyFans. OnlyFans is a website business that allows mostly women to charge a monthly subscription or one-time payments for provocative photos that mostly men want. This is going to get displaced, and in a big way, by AI. AI OnlyFans. Take a look at this picture below of an AI-generated image of a woman. If I did not tell you that this was AI-generated, would you know if it was a real person or not? This is where AI is going, and we wrote earlier about an Instagram account using AI-generated images only of women, and they look lifelike and stunning. This is going to displace real-life women who can only do so much and have to combat the aging process to maintain a high-profile OnlyFans account. AI can be whatever it wants and morph into whatever it needs to be to meet the needs of that marketplace, and it is already doing so on Instagram and OnlyFans. AI displaces real women. I don't think this is going to stop with OnlyFans, however. As AI becomes increasingly more real and AI can eventually create videos and avatars that look and act like a real woman and that respond to you accordingly, AI will become a service that will also displace webcam girls as well. Imagine an AI avatar that looks exactly like a real woman, except it is customized exactly to your preferences. It can respond to you and talk to you and call you whatever you desire it to. It can even display human-like humor, teasing, and not just be a robotic slave. Take a look at this woman below that was AI-generated. This has everything in my list of what makes a woman physically attractive to me. If this becomes lifelike and accessible, it will most likely stop my search for dating as I can get what I want from an AI avatar. What can be done? What can be done? I think this will honestly revert many modern women back to traditional gender roles and make them much more feminine again. This won't be because that is a modern woman's first choice. It will be because if they don't do that, they won't find a man, and many won't have a way to make money on their own now that their one primary asset, their body and looks, are gone. What do you think about AI displacing OnlyFans and more? Is this going to happen soon?